How to delete all of your files at recycle bin at once on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily delete all of your files, junk files on your recycle bin of your mobile phone. So first thing, simply open up your gallery, and once you're inside here, just tap on this three hamburger icon over here at the bottom right corner. So once you click on it, you'll be seeing recycle bin option. So once you tap on it, so instead of selecting this video just like this one by one or simply scrolling through, you can select this option called all at the top to delete all of your files or any other junk files at once. So once you do all of that, you can just click on delete button over here and just tap on delete. And you can also restore them by simply tapping on this restore if you haven't deleted it already from the recycle bin. And also remember that the files in the recycle bin will remain for 30 days at least. So once after that the day has been completed, it will be automatically deleted from your recycle bin. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.